Hi, YouTube. This is Jay Coder back with another stream, and today we are going to be going over good app ideas. Basically, I'm going to be finding app ideas that can potentially make a lot of money, and I hope that this will be inspirational to you in your app development journey as we go over ideas together. And so, without further ado, let me get started. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Comment and like this video. Alright, and so the way I'm going to look for good ideas is to already look at existing apps on the App Store. And if we can find some good apps, then potentially you can make your own similar app, or make a similar app and make some changes to it, or make it slightly different or different in such a way that you can get a piece of the pie, or get a piece of the audience. So, all right. So, what I'm here is I'm on the Google Play, and so let's go ahead and look at the top charts. And then the on the top charts, I want to go ahead and look at the top grossing. And so these are the apps that make the most money right now. And so you have Google One. Let's see if we can find a pattern here. So we have Google One. That's a productivity tool. Of course, it's a main company, but maybe you can get some insight from this. It's basically cloud storage, enhanced security features, automatic phone backup, and more. And it's a productivity app. Possibly you can gather from this is people like to have storage, and so if you can provide a storage solution, perhaps you can be able to get a piece of that market. Then you have TikTok as number two, which is a social media. And then you have HBO Max, Disney Plus. And so TikTok is a social media uh, kind of network. And now a lot of people like video content, and also shorts content. And perhaps if you can, make some kind of app where people can upload some kind of content like shorts or short videos, or maybe you can get a niche of the market, and maybe like a video app of soccer enthusiasts or things like that. That might be a good thing. So, like, one thing that I noticed, a pattern that I noticed with the TikTok and these different ones like HBO Max, Disney Plus, is content is pretty popular these days. And so all of these, TikTok, HBO Max, Disney, they all provide content, specifically video content. So I think that's also a clue of where the market is at, is where if you can make some kind of content app with providing specifically video, I think that would give you a large head start. Whereas you can also see Peacock TV is also a application that has that kind of content as well. You have the Amazon Shopping, which Amazon, it's been big for quite a while, and it's it's a shopping app that makes it convenient to um, buy products and ship products. And so it's kind of a outlier in the top charts here, but you know, perhaps that can also show that you can be successful in making a shopping app. And so maybe you can, arbitrage other bigger sites where you, take a collection of bigger sites and then have users select from those different sites deals from those. Maybe you can arbitrage, get good deals from Walmart, get some deals from Amazon, get some deals from Target, and get some deals from those different sites, put them together into one app and arbitrage that. And that could be an idea. So we have some music, Pandora, we have Tinder, dating app, and Paramount. And so, Crunchyroll, Twitch, Spotify. So we have some music apps in the top charts as well. There's a lot of entertainment. People like to spend a lot on entertainment, music, movies, videos, and also there appears to be a trend of dating apps in the top charts too, which you probably wouldn't go wrong if you could make a dating app, which could be an idea. Hulu, another content app. So I see a common theme among these top charts of the the streaming and content apps with the video. So that's a big clue, I would say, and also music coming in there too. But definitely content kind of applications are really bringing in the most dough in these charts, it looks like. Then you have Discord, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft, another main player, Google, a main player. The number one was Google One. So the next, this is also in the top charts with the Microsoft, whereas with Microsoft, I lost where exactly that. Okay, Microsoft OneDrive. So, even though despite it's like, a major brand, you can still get a clue that people really like to be able to store their data. Um, and so they are willing to, be able to spend to be able to store their data in different places. And a stare so I would say data storage app would probably be a good option as well if you were an app developer. And so yeah, we have the Microsoft One, we have Fandango, which is video content, real short. See, like I was saying, this is it says Real Short is an HD streaming platform. Change the way you watch video shows, and these guys. This is probably not like a main company like TikTok, or like a main company that's providing streaming content like Disney Plus. These guys look like they're probably smaller guys who are getting into the game and being able to provide content on such an app, capitalizing on audience like the video content like TikTok, and also the streaming apps. So yeah, like something like this is what I'm saying is you can still tap into the market and be able to get a slice of that pie. And so we have Fitbit, and So it's like a health and wellness application, and that's kind of the first one I saw on the top charts as well. You can't really go wrong with health and fitness because that's kind of like a constant, um, timeless thing that people seek is their health and fitness. And Sling TV, you know, there's another content app, and they have prayer meditation app, another dating, another fitness here. They have Webtoons, another content app. They have Dropbox. Dropbox, like I was saying, just like the Google One, is a data storage application. And, I think this is really pointing towards people wanting a solution to store their data. And you might not go wrong in providing such a solution. Game Changer Sports, more content, good novel, Discovery, Stars, all TV related video content, which that is it's very explosive right now. Like that's like the number one thing people are wanting in the app right now. Well, you know, pretty much the number one audience of apps outside of games is the video content and streaming content. And so maybe you could get a clue and make something that gets a slice of the pie of a video streaming idea of some sort. It doesn't have to be such a broad topic where you have, you know, all kinds of video streaming, or but also, you can take advantage of user generated content and have users, upload their own video entertainment, and encourage people to come on your platform and make content. And so we have Canva, which is a graphic design, and GPS Hunters, Amazon Prime Video, another example of video content, Box, NordVPN, and Snapchat, and the NFL, and Good Short. Again, movies and streams. And I'm sure this is a smaller company, but yet they are in the top charts, grossing the most out of all Android apps. And this, looks similar to that other one that we were looking at before. Uh, Perhaps this app can be studied. It might even be a kind of a clone app to the other one we were looking at before, because this looks very similar. Perhaps this can be studied more closely to see exactly what they are doing to be able to get into the top charts here. But we know that's not like a major company. Then surprisingly, Facebook is all the way down here in grossing. And then we have sports, MLB, uh, Acrobat, Adobe PDF, and then you have a navigational app, or oh, this isn't the navigation, it's like a smart home application, which is interesting. And I'm just looking at here, see if I see like different patterns of what's in the top charts, and it's a good indicator of what people like. Design space, do it yourself with Cricut. Uh, okay, so not quite sure what exactly that is. Like a design some kind of design app. And so VIX looks like a TV kind of app in Spanish. And Chamates, yeah, I mean, a common pattern is streaming and video content, TV content, live video. Okay, so they have a video chat, web novel, web novel. That seems like, you know, in this age with the AI, you might be able to produce your own novels and everything quickly. But this one, yeah, I'm not sure where they're getting their novels, but a middleman strategy for app development is pretty nice where you find novels from different vendors and put them on the app and have them available for selection. And so then people can be able to consume novel content, even though you might not make the content from scratch. You go to other vendors and be able to arbitrage the content into your app. And so, yeah, there's more social media, things like that, and more dating apps. And so then you have news apps, which that's kind of this Wall Street Journal is kind of the first one I'm seeing in the top charts for news. So I mean, news can make it into the top charts, but as I am seeing it, it's not the number one most liked form of media, which is video content. Video and streaming content is really ruling the show here. And so, yeah. So, what patterns are we seeing here? We're seeing that a lot of video content, a lot of dating apps, a lot of course, streaming and data storage applications, and a few health and fitness here and there. And there are some graphic design applications or design applications in here. Some novel applications. Here's another novel application here. If you could, that might be a simple app. Like maybe you can find like an API that has, novel data, and just get the API data of the novels, and then you have a list of novels you can go ahead and put on your application. And so, yeah, and also another key point is on these different apps that are trending in the top charts and the most grossing is the is the actual is the actual monetization strategy, whereas you kind of have to dive deeper, where if you like a certain genre and want to make a similar app, you should go ahead and download the app and take a look at how they're doing things, and also pay close attention on how they are monetizing so that you can be able to see how exactly they are in the top charts, whereas the genre is important, but also the way that they are making money is important as well if you want to maximize off of the you know getting a piece of the pie in the top grossing, whereas your app might not be in the top grossing if you make a similar app, or an app that gets a piece of the pie. But at least you're probably gonna get something, at least a percentage of what these top dogs are getting right now. But yeah, I mean, that's kind of how my strategy would be to try to find some of these apps that people like, and maybe we can do like you know a quick category really quick to see what we want to do, or see what other how others are performing. What about if we choose productivity, and let's see what we got here in the productivity. And so in the productivity, they have it in different. Let's look at this. So they have certain AI apps. They have Microsoft Word. They have, let's see, what else do they have? Again, Dropbox, Scan PDF. They have, PDF scanner apps. This might not be too bad of an app to make, where pretty much you're using the camera, and I'm sure there's some kind of like official SDK or third party SDK that you could hook up to your app to be able to scan documents with the camera, because all you need is the camera really, for the main feature of a PDF scanning kind of app. And so that might not take too long to create. Then you have a to-do list application, which everyone knows. A to-do list app isn't that hard to make. And so yeah, I just kind of wanted to go through some of these apps with you guys, and just kind of share my thought process and go through some apps that might be able to make money or be successful once you develop them. And hopefully this inspired some people to go out and create certain applications, certain Android applications. And if it did, I invite you to go out and make that app, and tell me about it. Like, if you got inspired to make a certain app from this video, come back, comment, and tell me what app that you created. All right, well, hope this helps, and as always, stay coding.